Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a fruit tray. Begin by choosing a mix of textures and colors, then wash and dry everything. Use a sharp knife to cut fruits into bite-sized pieces and arrange by color blocks. Add a few accents like mint, berries, or a small dip bowl. Keep edges neat and vary shapes for visual interest, and serve chilled for best flavor and crunch. For arrangement, start at the center or a focal corner and build outward with large items first. Alternate colors and textures, placing round fruits next to sliced pieces for contrast. Fill gaps with berries, grapes, or herbs to keep the tray full and inviting. Keep a small dip bowl handy and tuck it into a natural space. Adjust spacing so guests can easily pick pieces without disturbing the whole display. Think about flavor balance when choosing fruit, pairing sweet melons with tart berries or citrus for brightness. Prep what you can the day before and store in airtight containers, but wait to add fragile items like bananas. Lightly brush apple or pear slices with lemon or orange juice to prevent browning. Chill the tray before serving to keep everything crisp, and taste as you go to make adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.